tico-tico-cá, o tico-tico lá, o tico-tico tá comendo meu fubá. O tico-tico, meet the polenta, a staple in Brazilian cuisine that is delicious. You have no idea how well it goes with a barbecue. And now you're going to learn how to make it. For this recipe, you're going to need polenta, right? Polenta is corn grits. I never use corn grits with that label on the bag, but I do use polenta. You find this in supermarkets like Whole Foods or even here on TikTok. And that's what we are going to use as the main ingredient, which is just corn. Okay, I have 3 cups of water here. I'm waiting for it to boil. And I'm going to add 1 bouillon cube here and wait it for it to dissolve. I'm adding now 1 cup of the polenta flour, and I'm going to add some powdered garlic, some salt, and some black pepper. And now I stop stirring the mixture. After a minute, I went to the low heat, and now it's ready. How do I know it's ready? Because every time I go with the spoon, I see the bottom of the pan. That's the trick. That's the sign that you have the right consistency for your polenta now. On a baking tray with parchment paper, now I'm going to flatten the polenta, more or less the same height all around. It doesn't matter if it's going to not be even in the whole pan, because we are going to cut this later. Not bad. Well, now we are going to put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can leave longer if you want. Now, the polenta stayed in the fridge for a couple of hours, a little bit more than that. And now I'm going to cut as if they were large fries. Now to the air fryer for 7 minutes, 350 degrees. Polenta is ready. I need to try. I love this. I love this by itself, even though it's quite common to eat with barbecue, with any type of meat, you know, during your lunch or dinner. But I don't know, for me, this is a treat. You need to try. It's life-changing.